Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to track an object in CapCut. So for this you have to place the video that you would like to follow the object. Then what you need to do is paste a default text here, and then you have to move the scale to the text option from here, and then you have to don't type anything, just type the full stop and make sure the font size into 81. After that you have to make sure the position is in the center or not. Then what you can do is increase the clip rate until the end of the video. Then you have to click on the video file, and then here you have to click on the add keyframe. And after that, when it will add the add keyframe, you have to come to the bottom, come to the start here in the beginning, and then here you can easily zoom it out your video, or you can easily object, as I have already mentioned the reference point as the full stop. You can simply remove it after when your work is done. So that's how you can easily follow an object in CapCut. So thank you very much for watching this video.